Hey everyone, welcome to our family room. It hasn't been updated in about 30 or 40 years, so it is definitely ripe for renovation, and we're excited to start this project. As you may recall, back in April when we bought this house, this kind of became our studio apartment where we were living, sleeping, and working while we refinished our hardwood floors in the rest of the home. So we have a lot of big plans for this space and obviously a lot of work to get there, but here you can see our vision of what we want the space to look like in the end. It's going to be a lot different of what it looks like currently, but it's going to be a really fun room to relax and watch movies in. We're really excited to bring this to life over the next couple of episodes, so stay tuned as we take this project from start to finish. Now, before we start tearing things out and doing demolition, we brought Olive in here to get some play and fetch in while she still had some traction on the carpet. And this weekend we were also dog sitting for a friend, so she had a play partner too. Alright, now that playtime's over, it's time to get to work.
First up is tearing out all of this blue carpet.
Wow.
Not center.
Where did you cut that one? Here we're using a 4-foot level to mark out the width of our carpet strips that we're cutting, and the reason that we're doing this is because 4 feet is a good width to make sure it's still manageable while still getting a lot of carpet all in one roll, and also our particular city only allows 4-foot wide carpet rolls to be thrown out in the trash every week, so it works out that way too. Now, we've shown this tip before, but I thought I'd show it again, where you cut a strip of the carpet and feed it through itself. That way you can carry the entire roll with just one hand and it doesn't unravel on you. Now, as we finish tearing out the last bit of carpet in this family room, you can actually see in the corner there the new flooring that we'll be putting down in episode 2 of this renovation series. Leave a comment down below what you think it is. And now that all the carpet and padding is torn out of the room, we can finally see the subfloor, and it looks to be in pretty good shape, but it left behind quite a mess, so we're gonna have to do some cleanup there. We've done our fair share of carpet removal, so this one wasn't too bad, but it left a ton of dust behind, so time to get the shop vac. And now it's finally time to address these 2 sliding doors. These actually used to be garage doors, as this was a converted 2-car garage back in the late 80s, and we also plan to update the window treatments as well. We're going to be getting 2 brand new sliding doors, but we're still debating on the grid style, so let us know in the comments if you like the left side, which is 2x2, or the right side, which is 3x2. Now let's get back to taking down all of this sun-bleached fabric. These were actually called valances back in the day and were quite popular and quite expensive, but in order to take it down we have to unscrew all these screws up in between the wall and the valance, and they're quite difficult to access, as you can see. Alright, so now we're gonna take out the grids, valance, and the blinds on here, and we think just those 3 things is gonna make a huge difference.
I've been wanting to take these down since April 11th, the day we closed.
Now we finally can. Let's get to it. Oh, it came out so easy.
Wait, for you? Okay. Look at that!
Wow!
No privacy.
There's like
There's 2 boards.
Well, here, let's see. Do you want to try it? Here, why don't you come grab this and then I'll do the other one.
I'm scared. Okay.
Whoa! Walk over there, maybe. Yeah, we'll do this. I just want to
brute force. Timber!
right, so now we're flipped around opposite the sliding doors. We have a window to our front yard. Also another valance we want to take down. We'll probably keep these windows, but give them a fresh coat of paint eventually. So there's also some blinds we want to take down as well. Wow. It's already so bright. And that's where we're gonna wrap up episode 1 of this family room renovation series. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give it a like, as it really helps out the channel, and also subscribe if you want to see this renovation come to completion. In the next episode, we're gonna prep our subfloor and then start installing the new flooring, so stay tuned. And as always, thanks for watching and happy building. See you next time.